Want to keep your bird from bonding to just one person? Here's a simple trick. Involve everyone. Start by having friends and family offer treats. This way, your bird learns to trust multiple humans. Use their favorite snacks, like seeds or fruits. Make it a fun game. Have each person take turns feeding them. Watch as your bird becomes more social and confident. This prevents jealousy and encourages bonding. Remember, variety is key. The more the merrier for your feathered friend. Try it out and see the difference.